Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rimlak. Just wow.
Kesorka Meghalaya kadang persang bermat benia, laki don neem kinong song shnong, nakani ke jilla Meghalaya. Kiba Sahkut haka Jingpynshisha hakari Nepal, lai thu sembut mencerong ba ke jilla, ubakmi ia ketenat kampo ying ubak prestun tensong. Haba kren shikla pathai kubor ubak tensong uloong, ba ke sorkar kelabetha yo Chief Secretary, bat ya ke Director General of Police, banwat benia laki don neem kinong song shnong jong ke jilla, kiba Sahkut ha Nepal. Haka juk opor ubat tensong ula penparu ia ka jing sengaulam, yekilanot bat ikimensim kibala klat no ha Nepal.
If you talk about the unfortunate incident that has happened just few days back in Nepal, in fact it is very, very unfortunate, and especially, our condolences goes with the whole nation of Nepal. And secondly, when you talk about Meghalaya, yes, we are also fully prepared in case of such incident happen, be it in Meghalaya or be it in the States or be it in India. We have to be well prepared for this. Now we are yet to get any information. I've already instructed Chief Secretary and DG to find out if there is any residents of Meghalaya who happens to be there. But till this moment, no information yet.
هذا اللي بيتري صنع
Nadunay kay kan.
Bay la tong soy nga dia pa kismil de chit ko.
Ili mem yor ain gini kon me. Pai upon kelas tenu chong. Tangga college stage nem yo.
Le me stage nem le tangga we kon bukan. Tito.
Jadi kasi yang ngayon bisa orang aing mo na.
Oh, this time.
Pinay wan ay bams niya ay bams hin ay ta papacho. Families to that means. Right. For it.
Ông use nem, vụ qua nhà khmat đó, vụ tê tàu chan bò rừng khlev.
Bay, pass, your first division ah.
Kan, kan.
Oh, bay.
Congratulations kan.
Thank you, bay.